In an industry where every component requires precision and power you can rely on, one name stands out. Introducing the Indelac ProVolt series, setting a new standard for multi-voltage electric actuators. Weatherproof, corrosion-resistant, explosion-proof, with the proven reliability of American-made quality. Engineered with resilience in mind, down to the last detail to withstand demanding applications and extreme conditions. The ProVolt is industrial grade. With the flip of a switch, ProVolt actuators function flawlessly across a range of 5 separate voltage inputs. This multi-voltage capability allows for greater product flexibility. Power failure? Not a problem. ProVolt's optional battery backup keeps you in control even during outages. Seamlessly transitioning to battery power is easy with field configurations for fail open or fail close, right at your fingertips for next level protection and prevention, safeguarding your operations. Need more accuracy in your process controls? Experience the confidence and assurance of our modulating features as well as a variety of other options to deliver precision-focused operation. Designed and built in Florence, Kentucky, every ProVolt actuator embodies American-made ingenuity, crafted with expertise, delivered with pride, committed to exceptional engineering, fair pricing, and on-time delivery. Every product, every time. With Indelac, you are not just selecting an actuator. You are choosing a dependable, time-tested automation partner and investing in unwavering quality that keep industrial operations running at peak performance. Take advantage of the versatility of the ProVolt multi-voltage series and operate with a whole new level of flexibility and confidence that only Indelac can deliver.